ना आम बुक्स रे देखा क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 एक्सरसाइज 5B एक्सरसाइज 5B रो 5 नंबर सेकंड फाइंड द इनवर्स ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स फाइंड द और क्वेश्चन विल बी गिवन फाइंड द इनवर्स ऑफ फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस लाइक एस question number 5 number B2 I will be given 2 minus 1 this is the given matrix of order 2 by 2 2 minus 1 1 3 we can find out the A inverse the short question आसी पारे 2 मारी गया कौन पूछे तो फाइंड आउट करेगा कौन ना A inverse and how to find A inverse तुम प्रोसेस मन रखो ना A inverse exist करिवो तो A inverse will be exist if first step from find out करिवो ना determinant of A not equal to 0 that is non singular determinant of A not equal to 0 then we have to find out second step second step कौन करिवो we have to find out adjoint A find out कौन करिवो ना adjoints A shortcut मन रखो then step 3 A inverse will be adjoint A by determinant of A this is the process to find inverse of a matrix और पेपर क्लास में पढ़ुथलु इनवर्स किंतु फाइंड आउट करथले ना एलिमेंटरी रो ऑपरेशन और एलिमेंटरी कॉलम ऑपरेशन को यूज करके यू कैन फाइंड आउट द इनवर्स ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स नाउ बट हियर वी कैन यूजिंग द फर्स्ट इनवर्स will exist if determinant of A not equal to 0 then adjoint A then we can find out the A inverse so that first we will check determinant of A step 1 को now determinant of A is determinant of 2 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 1 1 that is principal diagonal elements from multiplication minus of diagonal element that is 2 into 3 minus 1 into 1 process பண்ணன question number 5 होगा then this will be 6 minus plus 1 that is 7 so that determinant of A is not equal to 0 now that means A adjoint A and A inverse will be exist so that adjoint of A is now second step adjoint of A equal to we can interchanging the principal diagonal elements from multiplication then of diagonal elements को कौन करेगा the sign the negative sign will be multiplied that is 2 3 can be interchanging that is 3 2 and sign can be multiplied in of diagonal element that is 1 minus 1 shortcut way or you can find out this process like a first of all we have to find out the cofactor or minus then we have to find out cofactor after we have to find out the cofactor then we can find out the adjoint of A adjoint of A is equal to transpose of a cofactor the lengthy way but you can remember for 2 by 2 order given matrix easily we can interchanging the principal diagonal elements from multiplication principal diagonal elements can be interchanging then the sign can be multiplied the off diagonal elements so that adjoint of A equal to 3 1 minus 1 2 then our step 3 will be A inverse is equal to adjoint A by determinant of A like A inverse is equal to adjoint A by determinant of A so adjoint A will be 3 1 minus 1 2 but determinant of A is equal to 7. So that A inverse will be 1 by 7 into the given matrix like is 3, 1, minus 1, 2. You can study the scalar multiplications. Any scalar can be multiplied by matrix. The condition will be each and every element से multiplied करेगा. So that A inverse will be 3 by 7, 1 by 7, minus 1 by 7, 2 by 7. On पहला में 3 by 7, 1 by 7, minus 1 by 7, 2 by 7. This is the A inverse. It is inverse of a matrix of 2, minus 1, 1, 3. The inverse is inverse of the given matrix two minus 1, 1, 3 will be 3 by 7 will be 3 by 7, 1 by 7, minus 1 by 7, 2 by 7. This is the inverse of a matrix. Similarly, you can find out, you can solve the question number 5. बुझेगा? How to question? Then solve yourself. 4 minus 2 1. Third bit कौन देसी? अब 4 minus 2 3 1. 4 minus 2 3 1. देखो, you can find out the A inverse of a matrix. Find करिए कौन? The A inverse. Our step 1 ले कौन थिला? First of all, you can find out the determinant of A. Like A is the matrix of order 2 by 2 and elements are 4 minus 2 3 1. Then step 1 will be determinant of A equal to determinant of 4 minus 2 3 1. So that 4 into 1 minus 2 into 3, that is 4 minus of minus plus 6, that is 10. Now determinant of A not equal to 0. So the second step कौन करेगा? You can find out the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, that is we can interchanging the changes the principal diagonal element. It is 4, 1 can be interchanging. That is 1, 4. Then of diagonal elements में कौन करेगा? ना sign can be multiplied or minus can be multiplied. Minus sign can be multiplied. It is 2 minus 3. This is the adjoint of the matrix 4 minus 2 3 1. Now step 3 will be our A inverse is adjoint A by determinant of A. Like A inverse is 1 2 minus 3 4 by 10. Now A inverse is 1 by 10 into 1 2 minus 3 4. So that 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, minus 3 by 10 and 4 by 10. This is the inverse of a matrix. It is 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. This is the process to find out the inverse of a matrix of order. Given matrix is 2 by 2. If the matrix will be given 3 by 3, then how to find inverse of a matrix? The 3 by 3 ଥିଲେ कौन करेगा? तो जो सी A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. You can find out the first of all minor of this matrix. First of all, you can find out the minors. Find the minors or you can find the directly cofactor. बुझेला minor find out करिवो or directly you can find out the cofactor. Like as cofactor Cij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into mij. This is the process to find out the cofactor. Then second step you can find adjoint of A like as transpose of Cij a transpose. Here is a transpose. This is the adjoint of matrix. Then third step now A inverse is adjoint A by determinant of A. First of all you can check the determinant of A is not equal to 0. This is the condition. Main condition our the determinant of A not equal to 0. Then find out the Cij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into mij. That is cofactor. Then you can find out the adjoint of A. Then you can solve the A inverse like adjoint A by determinant of A. Next. Question number 6 will be given. Find the adjoint of the matrix. And how to find adjoints of a given matrix. Question number 6 row first bit. खातर गोटे करियो जोटा सब रहला होला. Question number 5 कौन देखि ना 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 2 1 3 minus 2 and find out the adjoints. Then check करबा कोन invertible. Question number 7 होछि कोन invertible. डायरेक्ट कर दो गोटे क्वेश्चन लेकी कोन adjoint के फाइंड आउट करबा. Then we will how to check the invertible. अच्छा invertible means कोन पढिला हम inverse is exist. That if inverse is exist, then the matrix is satisfied the invertible or matrix invertible matrix. अच्छा adjoint of A that means the given matrix. How to find adjoint? The given matrix like its A matrix will be 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 2 1 3 minus 2 and A adjoint A Cij a transpose of cofactor that is adjoint. So that first of all you can find out the cofactors. So how to find cofactors of each and element of a matrix. Each and every element of matrix is the element this is the element this is the element. So प्रत्येक element रा हम फाइंड आउट करबा ना cofactors. जेमति फाइंड आउट करथले minor. Similarly, you can find out the cofactor of a matrix. Cofactor of a matrix. So that now start. Because C11 is equal to the process Cij equal to Cij equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into mij. बुझेला. So C11 is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. अच्छा M11 find out to directly minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 1. So that M11 is you can deleting the first row in the first column. The first row after deleting the first row and first column, then our remaining element is 2 3 minus 2. Then you can find out the determinant like is 1 minus 1 minus 2 that is 2 minus 3 into 2 6. So that minus 4. These are the values of M11. Values of M11. Similarly, you will find out the M12 that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 M12. So that minus 1 into M12. So M12 means you can deleting the first row and second column, that is the remaining element is 2 2 1 2 2 1 minus 2. Then you can solve like this. Minus 1 into minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 into minus 6. So that's 6. M1 2 कैसे वाला -6. So that C12 is 6. Then 4 -4 -6. Similarly C13 is -1 to the power 1 plus 3 into M13. So the minus 1 plus 3, that is 4. So then -1 to the power is 1. So that M11 is so deleting the M13 means we can deleting the first row and third column, that is 2. -1 1 3 is our remaining elements. So that this will be 6 minus of minus 1. So that 6 plus 1, that is 7. Similarly, you can find the C21. So -1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21. So that -1 into the minus of M21. So M21 on the deleting the second row first column. The second row first column. The remaining element is 1 minus 1 3 minus 2. 1 minus 1 3 minus 2. So the -1 into that is -2 minus of minus plus 3. So that -1 into plus 1, that is -1. Similarly, you can find the C22. C22 is -1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. So -1 to the power 2 plus 2, that is 4. -1 to the power 4, that is 1. So M22 only is deleting the second row and second columns. Second row and second column. Remaining element is our 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 2. So that is -2. -2 into minus of minus plus 1. So that is -1. Similarly, C23 is our -1 to the power 2 plus 3 into M23. So that -1 to the power 2 plus 3 is -1. M23 is, you can deleting the second row and third column. The remaining element is 1 1 1 1 1 3. So that -1 into 3 minus 1, that is 2 minus 2. Then 3 1 minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 into M31. So -1 to the power 3 plus 1, that is minus of to the power -1 to the power 4, that is plus 1. So that M31 is M31 deleting the third row and first column. So that 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 2. Remaining element are 1 minus 1 minus 1 2. So that 2 minus of minus plus 1, that is 1. Similarly, M32 is -1 to the power 3 plus 2 into M32, like as -1 into M32 third row second columns, that is 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 2. So that is -1 into 2 minus of minus plus 2. So that is -4. Similarly, you can find out the M33 -1 to the power 3 plus 3 into M33. So that -1 to the power 3 plus 2, that is 6. So -1 to the power 6 is 1. And M33 is, you can deleting the third row and third column. The remaining element 1 1 2 minus 1. So that 1 into -1 -1 minus of 2, that is -3. Now देखो हमें भी कौन पाइले ना कोफैक्टर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स को फाइंड आउट कर दो. देन वी कैन रीअरेंज द कोफैक्टर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. रीअरेंज करबा भी कौन करियो बाय अरेंजिंग द कोफैक्टर ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स. Then you can find out the adjoint of a matrix like a transpose of a cofactor like as this is the therefore displacement Cij is equal to first मतलब ना C11 होची -4 देखो -4 then 6 then 7 then -1 -1 -1 -2 1 -4 -3. अच्छा এটা কোন পাইলেন না কোফ্যাক্টর ফাইন্ড আউট করলে কোফ্যাক্টর ফাইন্ড আউট করছো. You can find out the adjoints. Question will be given. Now adjoints of a matrix. Now adjoint of a matrix will be a transpose of adjoint of matrix A is like this. A transpose of Cij. Transpose of Cij. That means row transpose to column and column transpose to row. That means column transpose to row, so that adjoint of A equal to -4 -1 1 6 -1 -4 7 -2 -3 This is the adjoint of the matrix A. Matrix A. You can find out the adjoint of a matrix. And how to find? That is, you can find the transpose of a cofactor. Transpose of a cofactor means जो अच्छी row in columns of a matrix, we can transpose row into columns and column into row. These are columns. 4 -1 1. These are columns. Now changes this 4 -1 1 is written in row wise. 4 -1 1. 6 -1 -4. 6 -1 -4 is written in row wise. 7 -2 -3 written in column wise. Now written in row wise. This is the process to find the adjoint of a. Then on which is invertible. Invertible means you can that A inverse is exist. A inverse is exist. That means A inverse is equal to adjoint of A by determinant of A. And condition will be determinant of A not equal to 0. So that you can first for the check the invertible matrix. First of all, you can find the determinant of A not equal to 0. The first condition, determinant of A not equal to 0. Then A inverse is our adjoint of A by determinant of A. This is the complete solution of adjoint of A and invertible of a matrix.